Welcome to Stichting BOB Aruba. Stichting BOB Aruba is a screenings program for preventive detection of breast cancer. We are also the only one on the island and one of the happy winners of the Long Table event of last year. It was very important to us to receive these funds. The screening program is an ongoing program. The funds received with this Long Table event from last year went towards awareness campaigns. These campaigns are extremely important to us because that's the way that we can reach out to more people. We have different ways to reach to the people throughout technology. Nowadays, that's the way to go. It's a challenge to keep up with all the technology, but it's very necessary to do so. So we have a better service and a better connectivity with the hospitals, the general practitioners, and our clients.